is not just about the absence of illness, it's redefining India. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how wellness now is being redefined. It's about inclusivity, it's about access and opportunity. From empowering elite para-athletes to giving life-changing eye care, we're going to talk about how wellness is breaking barriers and helping people thrive towards an empowered India. From real-life champions to research labs, health and wellness take on many forms. Whether it's nutrition fueling athletic dreams or timely eye care transforming young lives, Herbalife India's partnerships with Go Sports and Netram Foundation are turning purpose into impact, reaching people where it matters most. In sport, ability isn't defined by circumstance but rather resolve and belief. Herbalife India's partnership with Go Sports Foundation embodies just that by empowering India's elite para-athletes through holistic nutritional support, performance planning and long-term development. Through the Para Champions program, these athletes receive more than access to resources, they gain a launch pad for excellence. From rising grassroots talent to decorated para-Olympians, they are rewriting what's possible through discipline, resilience, and the right ecosystem of support. Together, they've brought home over 1,150 medals, including multiple Para-Olympic medals, Asian Para Games podiums, and World Championship titles. Athletes in the program have also been honored with some of the highest sporting accolades in the country, including the Khel Ratna, Arjuna Award and Padma Shri. Not just for their sporting excellence, but for their role in advancing inclusion and representation in Indian sport. This partnership is more than just about personal journeys. It's about a future where sports belongs to all and wellness becomes a shared, empowered journey.
देखिए, हर्बल लाइफ और गो स्पोर्ट्स फाउंडेशन से मैं 2015 से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ और ये वो समय था जिस टाइम पे मेरे को एक स्पोर्ट की मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा नीड थी। आज तो मैं भी सक्षम हूँ और सरकार भी हर तरफ से मदद कर रही है।
गो स्पोर्ट्स मुझे 4 साल से सपोर्ट कर रहा है और गो स्पोर्ट्स के इस पैरा चैम्पियन प्रोग्राम के थ्रू जो पार्टनर्स सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं लाइक Herbalife एंड अदर पार्टनर्स, उसके थ्रू मुझे इंडिविजुअल न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट ने सपोर्ट किया।
तो उस टाइम पे गो स्पोर्ट्स फाउंडेशन ने मेरा हाथ पकड़ा था जिस टाइम पे कोई भी पैरा एथलीट के बारे में नहीं सोच रहा था।
एक टाइम था जब मुझे लगता था कि मुझे स्पोर्ट्स में आगे जाना चाहिए या नहीं, क्योंकि स्पोर्ट्स में सिर्फ टैलेंट से आप आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते, उसके साथ आपको काफ़ी टाइप के सपोर्ट चाहिए। जब मेरा एनरोल हुआ, कई तरह के सपोर्ट मिले, जैसे मुझे बोशे इक्विपमेंट, उसके साथ मुझे फिजियोथेरेपी की फैसिलिटी दी गई, न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट जिससे मैं ज़्यादा फोकस हो पाई, साइकोलॉजिस्ट की वजह से मैं अपने गेम को और अच्छा खेल पाई।
2016 में रियो पैरालंपिक से पहले गो स्पोर्ट्स फाउंडेशन ने मुझे एक नई व्हीलचेयर प्रोवाइड कराई थी जिसकी कॉस्ट 3 लाख रुपए थी और पहले मैं अपनी सिंपल व्हीलचेयर यूज़ कर रहा था। तो ये व्हीलचेयर यूज़ करने के बाद एकदम से मेरा 4 से 5 मीटर थ्रो जंप हुआ था।
कई तरह के सब मतलब चैलेंजेस एक एथलीट फेस करता है, चाहे वो इंजरी है या फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट है या मेंटल सपोर्ट है, बट हर्बलाइफ के गो स्पोर्ट्स के इस पैरा चैम्पियन प्रोग्राम के थ्रू मैं अपने वोशिया स्पोर्ट्स को ज़्यादा फोकस से खेल पाई।
फाइनेंशियली कंडीशन भी इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी और कई चीज़ें मेरे साथ जुड़ी हुई थी, जैसे मेरे एस्कॉर्ट हैं या सप्लीमेंट है या जैसे मैंने बताया मेरे को व्हीलचेयर प्रोवाइड कराई। तो ये गो स्पोर्ट्स भी तभी कर पाया है जब हर्बल लाइफ जैसे दोनों एक साथ में जुड़े हुए हैं, गो स्पोर्ट्स और हर्बल लाइफ। तो इन्हीं छोटे छोटे बदलाव की वजह से मैं यहाँ तक पहुँच पाया हूँ।
कि हमें ये नहीं सोचना है कि सही टाइम आएगा तो हमें तभी शुरू करना है, क्योंकि सही टाइम आता नहीं है, हमें मेहनत करते हुए सही टाइम को लाना पड़ता
कि
है।
मैं तो एक ही एडवाइस देना चाहूँगा कि आप जिस फील्ड में भी जाओ, अगर स्पोर्ट्स में जाओ या जिस भी फील्ड में आप जाना चाहते हो, तो अगर जी जान से मेहनत करोगे तो सफलता आपको ज़रूर मिलेगी, ये मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाता हूँ।
I think for us, when we started the foundation, that was in 2008, we were very bothered by the narrative around what people would talk about athletes and how India cannot make it. And one of those narratives were also around how para athletes, you know, just need sympathy and some support. It was never about considering them as top athletes who are competing with the best, you know, of the other athletes in other parts of the world. So I think right from day one, when we picked up our first 2-3 athletes, we also had para athletes. But as we started working with them, we realized that their challenges, their requirements, their needs are so different from able-bodied athletes, and the ecosystem was not really formed. I think for us, we realized that we have to create a program which supports athletes in a much more holistic way. That's where the Para Champions program actually came about. So we're very, very, very fortunate to have you know, an organization like Herbalife whose ethos and value is really about health, wellness, fitness and nutrition. And if you look at what a young athlete needs, it is a combination of all this. We're very grateful to the support that Herbalife is providing to our Para Champions program across these 45 athletes that we work with. We are working towards LA 2028. We're working towards Asian Games next year. So there's a lot of action happening in world sport, and we're very happy to have a partner like this with an international presence, with an understanding of what is the role of sport in society and what is the role of empowering every person within that society, irrespective of their abilities.
Athlete वो experience कैसा है? As an athlete, what is he like as a person?
देखिए मैम, धर्मवीर का मैं कोच नहीं, बड़ा भाई मानता हूँ। हमेशा धर्मवीर को मैं अपने छोटे भाई की तरह ट्रीट करता हूँ। और धर्मवीर जैसा एथलीट मैं खुद को ये खुशकिस्मत मानता हूँ कि मुझे धर्मवीर मिला। जब मैंने पहली बार उसको देखा था और जब मैंने उसको ट्रेनिंग शुरू कराई, तो हमने कभी ये नहीं सोचा था हम इतना लंबा सफ़र कर पाएंगे। मेरा एक सपना था कि मैं अपनी कंट्री के लिए पैरा ओलंपिक मेडल जीत पाऊँ। मैं वो सपना अपने रूप में पूरा नहीं कर पाया, पर धर्मवीर ने वो पैरा ओलंपिक गोल्ड मेडल जीत के मेरा सपना पूरा किया है।
जो हर्बलाइफ और गो स्पोर्ट्स फाउंडेशन का जो पार्टनरशिप है ना, उससे एथलीट्स को बहुत बेनिफिट्स मिल चुका है, बहुत इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है, उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए।
देखिए, मैं हमेशा एक बात कहता हूँ, एबल एथलीट को बहुत लोग सपोर्ट करने वाले रहे हैं। पैरा स्पोर्ट को जिसने शुरू किया वो गो स्पोर्ट्स फाउंडेशन है। मैं उसका साक्षी बना हूँ। 2015 में जब गो स्पोर्ट ने शुरू किया तो हम शुरुआती एथलीट थे जिनको उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया था, और वो बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले किया है हमारी जर्नी में। क्योंकि देखिए, एक एबल एथलीट के लिए एक कोच या एक फिजियो की नीड होती है। हमारे साथ तो टीम में इतने लोग जुड़े होते हैं, एस्कॉर्ट्स का बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है। हमारी नीड इतनी है कि कई बार हमारे को 2-2 लोगों की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, तो वहाँ गो स्पोर्ट हमारे को सपोर्ट करता है। हमारे दूसरे एस्कॉर्ट का ट्रैवल स्पॉन्सर करता है, उसका एक्सपेंसेस सपोर्ट करता है। तो मैं आभारी हूँ इस फाउंडेशन का और इनको जो सपोर्ट करते हैं, उन हर्बल लाइफ का, उन सभी का, जिनकी वजह से हम देश के लिए मेडल जीत पा रहे हैं।
You have another CSR project with Go Sports, building really on this theme of healthy livelihoods, healthy childhood, etc. What is that project?
At Herbalife, we believe, and there is a lot of scientific research which tells that, look, sports helps you build resilience. When we were kind of growing up, we were said that, you have to focus on your studies and sports take a back seat. Yeah. I think time has come now that, we embed sports in our lives. And it is not about professional sports, it's about sports as a healthy habit. It helps you keep fit, okay? And that's where it all started, the whole thinking started. So now we said that why not, let's do it for differently abled, okay? and can we empower them? We believe in inclusivity. We want to make sure that as far as possible we give an opportunity to various sections of the society. So this project, through this we're able to engage with differently abled athletes, making them aware about nutrition, making them aware about mentorship, and then how to excel in the sports. So that is something that excited us.
With the determination in their hearts and the tricolour on their sleeves, these athletes are doing more than just winning medals. They're also transforming mindsets. Backed by science and driven by spirit, the Para Champions program stands as a model of how inclusive sport can become a national force for change, one victory at a time.
In a classroom like the one we are in here in Delhi, if children are squinting at a blackboard, it might seem like they're perhaps being inattentive or slow, but the answer often is much deeper. They just can't see clearly. That, unfortunately, is a reality for thousands of school children across India.
Led by the Netram Foundation and supported by Herbalife India, Project Roshni has screened over 20,000 students across 64 government schools, detecting early signs of refractive errors, anemia, and nutritional deficiencies. A mobile team of optometrists, technicians, and health workers visit 2 to 3 schools each week, offering on-the-spot testing for vision, hemoglobin, and physical growth, followed by customized health report cards and community seminars. Through the GoGo initiative, Give One, Get One, students are encouraged to donate old spectacles for reuse, creating a culture of sharing and sustainability. The project also equips teachers and parents with knowledge on eye hygiene, nutrition, and mental well-being.
This is the story of Project Roshni, an initiative that's delivering not just eyesight but confidence and opportunities to school children.
Roshni is typically designed for school children. So we go to unreached areas, we go to schools, government schools and slum children who are otherwise totally deprived of eye care or for that matter any basic awareness about eye hygiene and health. So the whole idea of Roshni is reaching out to the children where they are, that is in the school, checking them for the glasses power, providing them spectacles which are not just ordinary spectacles. I'll show you, they are nice, cute, peppy spectacles, so they like wearing it, ensuring they get the spectacle again once it is broken, and at the same time we check them for height and weight to ensure that they are growing properly. And we also provide them a nice booklet because I thought that while we are reaching them, we should be doing the job complete. So we provide them with an awareness booklet which tells them the importance of eye care hygiene, dental hygiene, physical exercises, and that also acts as a message they take back home. And we have been able to reach over 1,25,000 children so far in the last 2-3 years.
Oh, and more power to you. Curious to understand the partnership with Herbalife and the work that you're doing.
Funding agencies like Herbalife, they come with a lot of value. Of course, in sponsoring and aiding the project, plus organizations as big as Herbalife, they come with their own set of experience. I, with my set of knowledge, which have drafted the project in a certain manner, but organizations of this scale, they help us learn a lot. So it's a brilliant partnership. It's a symbiotic relationship where I think I'm the one who gets to execute and also get to learn a lot.
So we are here at a screening camp in Delhi and I'm trying to understand why early screening and detection is important.
So I am an ophthalmologist and I'm also a mother. So I truly understand the importance of catching them young, especially with myopia and refractive errors in today's time, where the world has digitalized, where the houses have gone smaller, and where even if you are giving the best food to our children, that's adulthood, right? So it's very important that we identify refractive errors very early on so that the child's growth is not affected.
if you are able to identify a refractive error at the age of 5 or 6, we are able to prevent long-term lazy eye forever. We are able to give the child a platform where he studies with confidence in the school. So, if we are able to create an impact early on, obviously we are able to draw a better future.
We are here in the school in Delhi really talking about Project Roshni, and for our viewers, just give us a gist of what this project is about.
We got this opportunity that, we got a call that the Netram people will be coming and the Herbalife, they'll be coming and they'll be checking our students. So as our school is for the underprivileged children, so it is always a good thing for us.
Yeah.
Because our school is run by Sant Baba Amar Singh Ji, and his mission is to get the underprivileged children education. So that is his mission, and we are not charging any fees, and we provide free education, meals, uniforms, stationery, everything to the students.
Amazing.
So any kind of a support which we get, it is always welcomed.
And we were talking about early detection and screening. Why is that so important?
Actually, since our children are from the underprivileged background, the parents cannot afford. So they are not even aware that the child is suffering from any kind of problem. So through these camps, I think the parents are also becoming aware, and they can get the treatment done. And we for that even the Herbalife, they provide the treatment also. So that is a big help to us.
I know you do appreciate it. The students are benefiting, but when these programs and screening camps have been introduced, what sort of reaction have you seen from the parents? Equally important, the staff. What can you tell us?
See, the parents are very happy because they are not even aware that the child is suffering from something, and now they can see the improvement in the child, and the things are being taken care of. The school is taking good care of such things. It's a big support for us that Herbalife is coming and supporting us, and we look forward for more such they can come to the school and support us.
आज मेरी आँखों की जांच हो गई है। मेरे को पता चला है कि मेरी आँख परफेक्ट है। मेरे को चश्मे की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। आज से मैं साल में एक बार चेकअप कराऊंगा हमेशा।
मेरी आँखों का टेस्ट हुआ है और इससे मेरे को पता चला मेरी आँखों में पावर है। तो फिर मेरे को यहाँ से एक न्यू चश्मा मिला। इस चश्मे से मेरे को बहुत अच्छा साफ दिखता है और अब मैं अच्छे से पढ़ाई करूँगी और टॉप करूँगी।
मेरे को इसी कैंप की वजह से पता चला कि मेरी आंखें सही हैं, मेरी आंखें खराब नहीं हुई, मुझे चश्मे की ज़रूरत नहीं है। थैंक यू हर्बल लाइफ एंड नेत्रम।
I want to talk at this point about the project that you had, the Project Netram. What is that project? How was it conceptualized? Why is it important for you?
See, what is happening is today, imagine the screen time the kids have, right? It has gone phenomenally up over the years. And then on top of it, there are nutritional deficiencies. So as at Herbalife, we are fully committed on preventive healthcare, particularly for underserved communities. And that's where we had the discussion that, listen, let's work on this aspect and let's get camps in the schools, and particularly the government schools. So what do these camps do? They kind of check your basic anemia, they check your hemoglobin, they do eye test, and then they give health cards. Okay, they do awareness sessions. So make these kids more aware about their overall health and what they need to do to care about their eye health and general health. That is one aspect of this project. The second aspect is to get into rural communities, have eye camps over there, okay? And through that, we have like more than 10,000 people who have been benefited through that.
Roshni, very good. When children can see clearly, they learn better, they participate better, they're able to study better and have more confidence. For families and educators, it's not just about a medical intervention, but a complete transformation. Project Roshni, GoGo, is a model of how targeted grassroots health efforts can create systemic change, one child, one school, one vision at a time. At the forefront of science and sustainability, Herbalife India and IIT Madras have joined hands to shape the future of herbal wellness. They aim to set up the Plant Cell Fermentation Technology Lab, a center of excellence that aims to develop medicinal plants without the dependence on things like geography, seasons, or soil.
We spoke to the minds behind this collaboration to understand the science, the purpose, and the potential of this game-changing partnership.
We are looking for affordable and accessible healthcare solutions for the country, ensuring sustainable resource utilization and sustainable environment. Through this lab of plant cell fermentation technology, we would like to reduce the gap between the demand and supply of the high quality herbal raw material and herbal drugs in the country, thereby aligning us with the BioE3 vision and the Atmanirbhar Bharat vision of the Government of India.
The impact goes beyond science, touching nutraceuticals, Ayush products, and even youth-led innovation. From hackathons to conservation, this lab is nurturing the next wave of wellness technology.
We spoke very briefly about your association with IIT Madras, but one thing that you're doing, and this is really cutting edge when it comes to innovation around plants, wellness, nutrition, is the Center of Excellence that you have at IIT Madras. Just talk to us a little about that.
We met the professor at the institute, okay, and we discussed about, look, can we create a resource for industry wherein, it would give an opportunity to entrepreneurs, students, any industry member who could come and do research over there. Okay, we believe that investment into research can make India a leader in biomanufacturing hub. The reason why we say is because a lot of plants are getting extinct. Now, for us to replicate in a lab environment requires a lot of cutting edge research. Now, an institute like IIT has the resources, has the ability to get scientific expertise and innovation. It is also about a source of education for scientists. In fact, when we were having a conversation with the professor, they said that they will be able to get people from Ayush, people from different backgrounds coming over there and have a real life training. The end goal is to make India Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant, and be a leader in a global manufacturing hub for phytochemicals, for nutrition, and for herbal ingredients.
This collaboration is more than just innovation, it's a commitment to scalable, sustainable wellness for people and planet alike.
I'm sure we can all agree that wellness is not just one thing or another, it's a sum total of many things coming together. Herbalife India's commitment to health is not just about products, it's about people who inspire, possibilities waiting to be unlocked, and partnerships that matter. Keep in mind that wellness, of course, is not just a goal, it's a journey, and that journey is just getting started.